Hi friends, how can you create a double exposure effect in Photoshop? First, go to Image, then Adjustments, and select Black and White. Press OK. After that, unlock the layer. Now go to File and Place Embedded, and insert the same image again. Press Enter to confirm. Next, go to Select and choose Select Subject. After the subject is selected, press Ctrl+J to create a copy. Now select the main colorful image and add a layer mask. Go to the brush tool and select a soft round brush. Set the size around 1457 px and hardness 0. Make sure the black color is selected. Now brush over the area of image background. Next, select the Move tool and adjust the image. Scale it down and place it in the corner as you like. Press Enter to confirm. And that's it. This is how you can create a simple double exposure effect in Photoshop.